Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, we are doing my Boxy Charm unboxing and try on today. This is November's box. That's why I'm looking a little crazy. I don't have any makeup on because I was waiting to put on the products in the box. I love filming this video. This is honestly one of my favorite videos to film because I love Boxy Charm. If you guys want to see what I got in my Boxy Charm, then just go ahead and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Okay, so I have the box right here. This is what she looks like. Obviously comes with a little pamphlet, and let's just open her up and see what I have. The first thing in my box, this is the Ace Beauty Grandoise palette. This is what it looks like. And let me show you the inside of it. So these are the colors. These are the colors inside. They're really pretty. Pops of colors and then neutrals, kind of perfect for fall. So this one retails for $24.99, and I've actually never heard of Ace Beauty, so I'm excited to see how these perform. And then another item that I got in this box, I'm going to show you guys what I got in the box first and then do it on my eyes because they kind of all go together. So the next item that I got in my box is these Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. This is what the packaging looks like, and these brushes are so freaking cute. The handle on them is gold, like gold glitter. Ugh. I think they're just face brushes, not face brushes, they're eye brushes. And I have tried Luxie brushes before. They have been in my Boxy Charm before. I think they were in last month's box. So you have like an angled brush, you have a blending brush, and then you have a pencil brush, and then you have another kind of pencil brush. This one's a little bit more slanted. Let me see if you guys can see it. Yeah, I've never seen a brush like this one before. But these retail for $21. And then the next thing I got was these Lashaholic luxury lashes, and these look really pretty. Like super simple, but still giving you some pizzazz, which I always like trying new lashes, especially because I'm kind of new to lashes still. Like I really don't wear them that often. The only time I wear them is whenever I'm going to like an event or like I'm filming. That's really the only time that I wear them. And these retail for $14.99. The last thing that I'm gonna try on my eyes is this Beaute Blue glittering star eyeliner, and mine is in black. I think everybody's. And I don't think I mentioned the theme of this month's box, which I don't think I've mentioned the themes in the past month's box, but every box has a theme, and this month's box, the theme is Gold Digger. Kind of like gold. Everything's like theme gold, like brushes. But yeah. So this is the eyeliner, and then it has like, ooh, that looks pretty nice. It looks pretty creamy. I will show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has like sparkle in it. So yeah, I will just show you guys what look I come up with, and you guys already know I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this part, and I will see you guys when I'm putting on my last item in the box. Okay, I'm back, and this is the look that I came up with. It kind of went like 0 to 100 real quick because I thought, where's this palette at? I thought the original color that I was putting on, which is Poppy, this color. Okay, this looks like a maroon, does it not? So I was like, oh, pretty. I'm gonna do like a maroon gold eye. And then once I started putting it on my lid, it was like pink. And I was like, okay. So I ended up doing a pink look. But I think it still came out really pretty. This palette is super pigmented. I really overestimated it, and I was like digging my brush in there, and as you guys saw, like whenever I was applying my eyeshadow, it came off really pigmented. So I do really like this eyeshadow palette. The shimmers were really nice, and they were really pigmented. So yeah, I really like this Ace Beauty palette. I'm definitely gonna check out some more of their stuff because I've never heard of Ace Beauty before. What else? The Lashaholic lashes are beautiful. They're like super, they're dramatic, but they're not like super dramatic. They're still like a really wearable lash. They're kind of like spidery because some pieces are longer and then some pieces are shorter. But yeah, I think they look really pretty. They're really comfortable on the eyes, and you can definitely get like multiple uses out of these lashes. And then the eyeliner, I wasn't a huge fan of. It wasn't super pigmented, and it was kind of scratchy like on my waterline. It was kind of scratching me because of the glitter. So it was okay. I don't think I mentioned the price of that one. I think the retail price of that is $5. So I mean, it's not bad for the eyeliner, but I just probably wouldn't use it again because it kind of scratched me. Oh, and then the brushes. I really like the pencil brush, which is this one. I thought it was really soft, and then I loved it for my lower lash line. The angled brush was okay. It wasn't like the best. I'm not really a huge fan of these angled brushes for my eyes. I prefer just regular like dome ones, or yeah, I'm not really a fan of slanted brushes, but this one was pretty good. It was okay. It wasn't my favorite. And then this one was kind of weird. This was that angled like small brush that I was telling you guys about. I didn't really use this. I used this to blend out, I think, my transition, and then that was it, but I didn't use it again. And then this fluffy brush, it was okay too. It kind of doesn't have like, it does have a shape, but it doesn't have that dome shape. Like, I'm used to like a dome shaped blending brush that kind of just blends everything back and forth, and this one you have to work with a little bit. If you have this and then you use it, you kind of know what I'm talking about. But I mean, they were soft and they did the job, so I'll probably use these again. That was it. So the last thing in my box that I'm going to try out with you guys is the Cover FX glitter drops, and this is the shade Nova. Everyone got the same shade, and I'm really excited about these. I've actually never tried any of the Cover FX drops. I don't know what the other ones are called. I don't think they're glow drops, or glitter drops. They're called something else. But these are pretty like hyped up on Instagram and on YouTube. So we're gonna try them out. Right there, definitely like a gold highlight, gold undertone. I'm gonna apply that on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna use my sponge and apply it right onto the face. Okay, I'm gonna try applying it right on top instead. Oh no. Okay, I totally messed up by putting these droppers directly on my face because they dry really fast. I mean, they did look really pretty before I put them directly onto my face. By putting it on the back of my hand and then using a sponge and blending it out, they did look really pretty. They just dry super fast. So if you're gonna use them, if you got them in your box, make sure you put it on your back of your hand and then use a sponge to blend it out. Or you can use a brush, whatever you want to use, but yeah, they dry super fast, so just keep that in mind. And if I didn't mention, the retail price of these Cover FX glitter drops are $44. It's insane. So the retail price of this is $110, which is crazy. I know I say that every single time, but literally the price always gets me. I don't know how they do it. But yeah, this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, don't forget to like this video, and I'll hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye!